Are you tired of having birds eat all your strawberries? I've got a hack for you. All you need is red paint, white paint, Mod Podge, rocks, just something you find out in your yard, and 2 paintbrush size. One for painting your strawberries and one for painting the details. Step 1, paint your rock. Let your rock dry and then add little white marks uniformly as if it's a real strawberry. Once your rock strawberries have dried, you then just add on the Mod Podge. You'll see that the Mod Podge makes everything a little bit blurry, like has a white coating on top of it. That's perfectly all right. Mod Podge will dry clear and a little bit shiny, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, go ahead and paint all of your rock strawberries with your Mod Podge, and we'll let it dry. They're dry. Then I put them in my garden. And then those birds will peck those rocks and think your strawberries are bad and go hunting somewhere else. Okay, give it a try yourself.